DTC fulfillment topic is near and dear to my heart. DTC fulfillment is extremely open-ended in direct opposition to what you've probably experienced with Amazon or Walmart. The beauty of DTC fulfillment is you can do an awful lot of things. The drawback of that is that if you do things a little bit too differently, then you have to pay through the nose for it. Things to think about with DTC, for instance, you can, in some cases, choose your packaging. You can have custom boxes. You can have custom mailers. You can do special tape, potentially, if your fulfillment partner is willing to help you out there. So the DTC fulfillment, I see a lot of people who have to start in-house because of small monthly order quantities. Because oftentimes when you get into a 3PL, somebody who will do your fulfillment for you, they're going to want minimum monthly order quantities. And if you don't reach that, they're going to charge you as if you were fulfilling that inventory anyway. So it can be a real chicken and egg problem for customers to break out of the traditional like Amazon fulfillment model because they simply don't have the volume of orders necessary to attract a fulfillment partner, and they can't get that volume of orders until they escape from Amazon. We like to work with the smaller companies before that happens so that these small brands can work out a kind of stepwise method out of Amazon and fulfill a few small quantities, build up that brand awareness, work on your PPC campaigns, drive more traffic to your website or your self-controlled channels. And then we can slowly start to draw your customer base into more controlled distribution network.